In today's video, I'm gonna be comparing both of these headsets. One of them is a $70 headset and another one is a $300 BOSE headset. Let's see what they like. Hello guys and welcome to another Zimaleta. In today's video we're going to be doing another unboxing. Things are going to be just a little bit different. I'm comparing both of these headsets. They look quite similar. The BOSE headset, this is a Quiet Comfort 2s. It's a $300 headset and a Boltune type of headset which looks very similar to BOSE, very similar styling. Let's see if the sound could match the difference. This headset is $70. So let's take a look at it. Looks like the feeling is actually quite comfortable. The earmuffs, they're kind of like puffy. They're a little bit more thicker than the BOSE. Yet the quality of this leather here, it's basically very similar. It's this very fine leathery type of feel. So let's try on both of these headsets. I cannot really tell the difference. I could tell that this new one, it's a little bit more softer on the head. It's actually definitely very comfortable. I'm very surprised what kind of quality it is for this leather around the earmuffs, how nice and quality it is. Guys, this plastic BOSE and Boltune headset, it's very similar type of grade. It seems like a high quality plastic to me and I like the feeling of it. So let's test the sound of this headset, see what they sound like. Obviously guys, you're not going to be exactly hearing the exact sound that's coming out of it, but this is the music that I'm actually using to test it. I just kind of like played my intro music just to test the difference, but this is what they look like up close. Let's do further testing. Wow guys, the sound quality is amazing. So let's put the BOSE on and do a little comparison and see what the similarities are. This bond is solid gold. Wow guys, they sound very similar. Let me put this one on again. Wow guys, this is amazing. $70 headset sounds like a BOSE. That's just wow guys, at this point I don't even know if I have a BOSE on or a Boltune. I could definitely get into listening to more of this music guys. It's just really amazing sound that's coming out of these. Now if you went out and actually out of your way and bought yourself this BOSE Quiet Comfort 2s, don't feel bad. Maybe somebody in your family actually wants a similar type of headset and you don't feel like spending that $300 or $350, whatever you spend on it. I think Boltune is going to be a very good option for you. I actually talked to one of my friends earlier today and he says he's going to be picking up one for one of his family members. But guys, this BOSE here, I love it. Such a really nice headset. But I also love this new Boltune. It looks just so similar. From far away, you're not going to actually see the difference. You really have to hear the difference. There is a slight difference, but not big of a difference. BOSE has a little bit more BOSE to it. A little bit more bass. A little bit more bass. But they both sound very similar. And if you don't own a BOSE, you're not going to like know the difference at all. And it's such a close sound comparison, guys. The only thing I want to test now is the call quality. And I actually placed a call to one of my friends a little bit later on in this video, and I talked to him and he thought I was talking on the BOSE, and he's quite convinced that it's probably got the same parts inside. But anyways guys, let me tell you something. BOSE Quiet Comforts, they got a 20-hour battery, and Boltune has a 30-hour battery. I think that's pretty much the only thing you gotta know, because as far as the sound quality goes, you're gonna love it. I let my wife listen to these and she absolutely loved it, guys. Now this is the headset all the way out. You could see that Boltune has metal type of connections, and they got some markings on them, which is kind of awesome. And BOSE has a plastic one actually, and Boltune just looks quality. It looks really rigid, looks really good. I'm not about to like shake it and break it and do that kind of stuff, but it doesn't seem like it's gonna break. It seems like it's gonna last. But it's a $70 headset. I don't know what it's gonna do like in a long term, but I've been listening to my BOSE for 6 months. I still enjoy it, still love it. Hey guys, this sound recording is actually me recording you with using my BOSE type of headset, and I just want you to be able to compare the actual call quality recording type of sound that you're going to experience from BOSE, which this is a BOSE headset, and then the next one I'm actually going to record using Boltune, and you could actually make that comparison yourself. Hey guys, I just placed a phone call to one of my friends and we actually did a test, a sound test, how he could hear me with his BOSE headset on and me using Boltune. Normally we talk to each other, both of us using BOSE. I did a screen recording with sound on an iPhone, but for some reason it captured the actual beginning of the phone call, kind of like my breathing stuff before I actually placed the call. However, the call, it did not record. I'm not sure if it's something within an app so you cannot actually record somebody's conversation, possibly something like that. But I did realize that if we're not in call, it actually is recording from the actual headset. So this is the sound that you could expect it to capture. So, what do you think, guys? Can you tell the difference? Would you buy this $70 headset versus this $300 headset? Let me know in the comments below. Because a lot more people's gonna have $70 to spend for a headset instead of $300. To make this decision to buy a BOSE headset for $300, the call quality was the biggest selling feature for me. I was about to choose the Sony's, which cost $350 as well, because they had a 30-hour battery life. That was the selling point for me. But now this $70 headset has a 30-hour battery life as well. It sounds just as good, just as comfortable. And man, if it does break, you could like buy like 5 of them for the same price. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and God bless you, and see you guys in my next video. My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprint or Expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.